Good morning or afternoon from the UK. The date is the 9th of June and this is going to be my trade plan for today. I'm keeping an eye on SPY today. We've seen, let's go to the daily first. So on the daily we've been ranging between the 618 and this area of support 426.50 all the way up to 429.50 area. And what I really want to do today is catch the break and the I want to catch the break and the retest of this area. So I'm watching for the 618 still, and we're at pre-market 429.50 area. So what I want to see it do is come back down to this area. 432 is an area I'm watching as well, so I'm going to be a bit wary because it could act as an area of resistance. So I'll be watching the volume candles and I'm watching the actual candlesticks to try and determine whether we are going to go up or we're going to pull back down. So that's my plan. So let's go back to the 60-minute. So this area is quite nicely defined at the lower end of my red zone, and this is my area of supply, and it's a previous pivot going back several. That's not even on the hourly, but it goes back several. I think it's August 2022. So it's a big area. So it's either going to bounce or it's going to reject. It's either going to reject or it's going to break through. And we're seeing it looks quite bullish. And I'm looking at the last day's candles, but all in the upper half of the range. So what I think it's going to do is going to break out, pull back, try and find an entry around here for maybe a move up to 432, and that'll be my first target, 432. So this will be my first target, and then we've got a big gap then all the way up to, I need to go back to the daily. 432 is that pivot there, 432.50, that'll be my first target, and then our next area will be here at 437.88. 438 is basically the area. Don't think it'll get there, but I'll be looking for to hold a runner or two. I'm not watching MES today because it's the options contract changeover, or the contract switch, and it doesn't coincide with my other charts at the moment, just on TradingView. So I will double check to see. Yeah, it looks totally different on my main platform I use. So I'll keep an eye on it anyway, and I'll probably watch it on my main platform. But it'll be a similar trade. It gives us a massive gap up. But it'll be a similar trade to SPY, a break and retest, or it's going to reject that area. Anyway, have a good trading day, and I will speak to you shortly.